Hi everyone, welcome to the third devlog for Medieval Crafter. In this update I'm excited to share the progress I've made on implementing the inventory system and resource collection mechanics in the game. For the inventory system I've created a dedicated canvas divided into two parts to accommodate the inventory system. On the left side we have the empty slot item that will be populated with the sprite of the collected resources and its quantity. And in the right side, the selected resources sprite will be shown with the name and the description. For the resource collection, with the help of artificial intelligence, I've designed custom icons to represent the different resources in the game world. And when the player approaches a resource and begins collecting it, the inventory is automatically populated with the collected items. When the player will click, will right click the item in the inventory, a drop quantity pop-up will be shown and the player can choose how much quantity of the resources he wants to drop. Each item slot is associated with a script to pass various parameters, including the resource name, the quantity, the sprite, the empty sprite in case the slot is empty, the description of the resource, the maximum stack size, and the shader to manage the selection status and other visual effects. When an item slot reaches its limit, the resource will be stored in the next available slot. If there's no space left in the inventory, the player won't be able to collect the resource. The inventory can be accessed by pressing the tab key. I'm very happy for the progress made so far, and thanks for following along this journey.